Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how you can turn off app tracking in the Redmi Note 10 Lite. So we have to start from the opening the settings, then look for the apps and tap on it. Then go to the manage apps, and how you can see there we have an app list on from your phone. So look for the app that you want to turn off the tracking. In my case will be Google Chrome, and tap on the app permissions. You can see Google Chrome have a location permission on your phone, so if you want to turn it off, tap on it, select don't allow, and click don't allow anyway. And now Google Chrome or any other app cannot track you anymore. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.